Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to pay with Google Pay on Pandabuy. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Pandabuy. So open up the Pandabuy app on your phone. So now log into your account. So if you have an account, so just log into your account. And then now what you can do, simply just make any purchase or any orders on Pandabuy so that we can get to the payment section. So just do that. And then simply add an item that you wish to order. So for example this one, so let me just select an item. Okay, I'll click on buy now, and then that's fine. Stick on these. Yep, just choose all these. Okay, that's fine. Okay, hit on submit. So I'm going to go to the order page here. So this is all fine, all good. Hit on submit the agreement, and then yep, so all good. So I'm just waiting, going to get to this payment page here. So now when I get to this payment page here, so when I scroll down, and I'll see all these available payment options here. So depending on your region, so you'll see all the various payment amounts available for you. So all you have to do is simply select Google Pay. If your region supports Google Pay, then you can simply select Google Pay. Like unfortunately mine doesn't support Google Pay, so but instead of Google Pay I have other options here like Alipay and all PayPal and all the other options. What you have to do is simply select on whatever option you want. For example Google Pay, so I'll just have to select the Google Pay option, and then what you have to do is hit on pay and then complete the transaction. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.